Hi, my weirdos. Hello, hello. I'm back. If you haven't been to my channel before, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Maggie. I'm a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. I've been doing it for just at 3 months, a little over 3 months. And I've had pretty good luck. It is a lot of work, but I've enjoyed it. And I've just really enjoyed sharing my journey with everybody as I go. So that is that. And if you're coming back to see another video, thank you for coming back, you guys. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe and say hi in the comments if you don't mind. I promised you guys that I would give you a video on what has sold in the last few days. And so I'm going to do that real quick. We'll just jump right into it. Okay. This is a pair of Converse shoes that I sold. And I think I told you guys about them, but I didn't ever show you. I was super happy about that. This is an American Eagle sweater that sold. I'd had that for a very long time, so I sold it pretty cheap, but that's okay. I was ready to get rid of it, and somebody will get some use out of it. It's a nice loose knit sweater. It'll be good for spring. Here is a pair of Maurice's jeans that I sold. That was a pretty good sale. I think the lady offered 15, but she paid all the shipping. So, you know, that's not so bad for a Maurice's pair of jeans. I was happy with that. My goal is just to make at least $10 per sale for now. And I'm sure I'll increase that in the future, but for now I'm good with that. This is a really terrible picture, but it's an Anne Klein blazer that I sold. I'd had it for a while. And I also accepted a pretty reasonable offer on that, but that's okay. Like I said, I had it for a while and it needed a home, so it's gone away to its new home. Oh my gosh, here is a Torrid shirt that I had for literally about 24 hours. It was so cute, I could barely list it because I wanted it. And it was a smaller Torrid size. So anyway, there's that. And that top, it's so cute. See the little straps around the shoulders and the lace. Such a cute floral too. But anyway, this top is another really great example of why it's a great idea to get a steamer, because the looks of this shirt improved substantially after it was steamed. Oops. Dang it. Every time, you guys, I'm telling you. I did it. Okay, here is a little tunic that had a cold shoulder detail and black with red floral pattern, kind of a larger pattern. It also had a little crisscross back. You can see that. It was a no-name brand. It was new with tags, but all it had was the string. Hi, baby. From the tag. It didn't have the actual tag. So I didn't put new with tags. And even though it was a no-name brand, I was able to get a pretty good price for it. So this is a white top with pink polka dots and a 3/4 length sleeves. It's a CJ Banks plus size top. And that was sold in a bundle with this Alfred Dunner short sleeve sweater, lightweight sweater that I had. It looks gray in the picture, which you know how gray and purple are, but it's actually purple. And those sold in a bundle together. And I think this is the last item that I have to show you. This is a pair of Levi's jeans, and I know they don't look like special jeans, but let me show you how they looked in the all over picture of them. I did not want to sell these, and these were my size. I wanted to keep them, but that's okay. You cannot have all the things, Maggie. I'm going to show you this other picture of the shape of them. It was just something really nice about the shape of them, and they had a little panel in the front. It's called the Perfect Waist jeans. Had a little panel in the front to suck the tummy in, and they're just really nice. Anyway, I also want to let you guys know of something I started to do. I was able to pick up some highlighter and bronzer palettes for a very reasonable price, and I have them for sale in my closet, but also I have been offering them as a free gift with purchase. I figure with sales being kind of slow this time of year, it's a little bit of an incentive. So when somebody likes a product, I send them a little note that says thank you, and a note that says, you know, if they make a purchase, they get a free palette of highlighter and bronzer. And then also if somebody starts a bundle, I add the palette and bronzer into their bundle. And you know, they obviously know that it's free at that time. I send them a little note. So I hope that it helps people to want to buy from my closet. And this is what it looks like. I do have a few more left. It's a full-size palette of highlighter and bronzer, and I use it and my daughter uses it too, and it's very nice. So if you're interested in that, you can just buy it by itself, or you can buy something else and just get it for free. So yeah, that's the end of my video, you guys. As always, I wanted to thank you again for coming back. If you see this giant mess behind me, you're not seeing things, you guys. That's a mess, a huge mess in my room. But it's a planned mess. It's all of my Poshmark stuff. I moved in here. I cleaned all underneath it, the kids and I, so that we could have our dining room and living room back. So I think, I was thinking about taking the stuff upstairs to an extra room that I have up there, but I just don't think that I'll mess with it enough if I have it out of my site and the area that I live in the most. So as you can tell, my room is really big. And so, and I have some office space over in that direction, which I also don't use very much. I'm on the road so much. So I think I'm going to rearrange in here in the next couple days and make myself a new Poshmark area. So that's my plan. Anyway, those are my 2 cents for the day, ladies and gentlemen, and I appreciate you coming by so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and have a good and safe night and a good and safe rest of your week. Bye.